When considering Bookkeeper360, it's important to understand what makes it stand out and what could potentially hold it back before making your final decision. If you're looking for accounting software that offers a robust set of features, you've probably encountered several options. But Bookkeeper360 has specific strengths and weaknesses when compared to its competitors. In this video, we'll break down the 12 things you need to know before buying Bookkeeper360. The first thing to consider is the user interface. Bookkeeper360 is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for business owners without a background in accounting to navigate. However, it's not as visually polished or sleek as some other platforms like QuickBooks or Xero, which are known for their more modern interfaces. But if you're looking for simplicity over design, Bookkeeper360 could be a good choice. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. Bookkeeper360's pricing is on the higher end of the scale, especially if you need access to the premium features. Compared to other accounting software like Wave or Zoho Books, which offer strong free tiers, Bookkeeper360 can feel a bit more expensive. It's important to weigh the cost against the features and benefits you get. The third thing to keep in mind is the features Bookkeeper360 offers. It provides core accounting tools like bookkeeping, invoicing, and financial reporting, which are essential for small businesses. However, it lacks some of the more advanced features found in competitors like Xero, such as payroll management and time tracking. So if you need those extra capabilities, this might not be the software for you. The fourth thing is the customer support. Bookkeeper360 offers 24/7 support, which is a huge advantage when you're working outside normal business hours. However, response times can vary, and some users have noted that the quality of support could be more consistent. In comparison, QuickBooks offers extensive knowledge bases and more interactive customer support options. Moving on, the fifth thing is Bookkeeper360's scalability. It's suitable for small businesses, but might struggle as your business grows. If you're a medium or large size company, other solutions like QuickBooks Online Advanced or FreshBooks might be better options for handling more complex accounting needs. Next thing to consider is integrations. Bookkeeper360 integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, including payroll software and CRM systems. However, it doesn't integrate as seamlessly with some platforms like Shopify or Square, which might be a deal breaker if your business heavily relies on those tools. The seventh thing is that Bookkeeper360 is more focused on bookkeeping rather than full-fledged accounting. While it handles basic bookkeeping tasks well, if you need more advanced accounting features like project costing, tax planning, or multi-currency support, you may want to consider alternatives like Xero or NetSuite. The eighth thing is automation. Bookkeeper360 offers basic automation features for recurring invoices and expense tracking. However, it doesn't offer the same level of automation found in software like QuickBooks, which automates a lot more of your accounting workflow, saving you time and effort. The ninth thing is the mobile app. Bookkeeper360's mobile app offers basic functions, such as viewing invoices and expenses, but it's not as feature-rich or intuitive as competitors like QuickBooks or Zoho Books. If you need full functionality on the go, other solutions might be better. The 10th thing to consider is the learning curve. Bookkeeper360 is relatively easy to pick up, even for those with minimal accounting experience. However, because it doesn't have the same robust tutorials and guides as platforms like QuickBooks, you might find yourself relying more on customer support or trial and error. Next thing is security. Bookkeeper360 offers solid security features, such as encryption and regular backups. However, it doesn't go as far as some other software that includes more advanced two-factor authentication or fraud protection features. It's secure, but not as cutting-edge as others. The 12th thing is the overall value. If you're a small business or freelancer who needs simple accounting tools and isn't too concerned about additional features or integrations, Bookkeeper360 is a solid option. It offers good basic accounting services at a reasonable price, but for businesses that require more advanced functionality, something like QuickBooks or Xero might offer better value. To wrap it up, Bookkeeper360 is a good option for smaller businesses or those looking for straightforward bookkeeping tools.